Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, privyet. Welcome back, art lovers. Today we are going to do oil pastel drawing scenery using this stapling technique. To start, first make some light sketches of this scenery. The quality of my camera is not so good, that's why you won't be able to see the sketch properly. This is how you have to do this sketch. Now use a light pink color to create the base of your landscape. According to your reference image, you can create the outlines of your landscape. Also, you can check the description for materials used. You must be thinking that what technique is used in this drawing. This is called the stapling technique. In this technique, we use small dots to create an image or texture. It's perfect for creating depth and shading in your landscape drawings. As you staple, pay attention to the direction of your strokes. For example, if you are drawing a mountain, use upward strokes to create the illusion of height. If you are drawing trees, use small and quick strokes to create the texture of leaves. One of the great things about stapling is that it's forgiving. If you make a mistake or don't like the way something looks, you can always add more dots or blend them together to create a different effect. Using this stapling technique can make your hand tired because you have to keep making lots of dots. So you need to take breaks to rest your hand. Because I didn't have enough time, I used my other hand to finish this job. To add more details to the trees, use a red violet and primary red oil pastel to create leaves. For rest of the part, there is no need of stapling technique. You can simply blend the oil pastels using your finger or tissue paper. Now using any scraping tool, scrape out the oil pastel in the shape of a tree. This will help to draw the tree properly using oil pastel or color pencil. That was all I had to say for now. Rest of the process can be seen in the video. And there you have it, a beautiful scenery created using stippling technique with oil pastels. Thank you for watching.